Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 11th question in exercise 6.3. In the figure, E is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So let's draw the diagram. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle where CB is actually extended to E and EF is perpendicular to AC. It is also given that AD is perpendicular to BC. Now, let's list what is given to us. Given is AB is actually equal to AC because the isosceles property. Then angle EFC is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Now, what we need to prove is going to be to prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Now let's have a good look of the two triangles. I'm talking about this triangle EFC and the triangle ABD. These two triangles is what we need to show as similar. So let's start writing the proof. So what is given to us first? AB is equal to AC, which means angle B will be equal to angle C. Why? Angles opposite equal sides are equal. This is a property that we have. So we are going to use this particular property for isosceles triangle and say that angle B is equal to angle C. Now we can list the two triangles and start the similarity criteria. So in triangle ABD and the triangle ECF, what do we actually know? That angle ABD, which is this angle, will be equal to angle ECF. We are talking about this angle. That is what we have written here. So if I mark this as number, then I can simply say from 1. Then angle ADB will be equal to angle EFC, which is equal to 90 degree. We did not say this, it was given to us, so we are listing the reason also. Now, therefore, we have two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF using AA similarity, and hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 12th question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.